Okay, so this video is going to be talking about how you can use Forex trading, which is what I have been doing for this year right here. In the past, as you all know, if you've looked at any of my other videos, you see where I've done affiliate marketing and drop shipping and blogging. And I did a few videos to show people how I set up my affiliate marketing and different other different programs and things that I used to make money from home in the past. But I have something new going on, and I just want to share this right quick. This is for people that's already trading, or if you want to continue to follow videos, I'll make another. I, I'm going to make more videos, but this is just one simple strategy on how you can make anywhere from $6.25 up to $43.75 per day doing Forex trading. Just using this strategy that I'm going to getting ready to talk about can make you anywhere from $156 and some change per month up to over $1,000 per month if you follow this strategy to the T. 25 trading days out the month, 20 to 25 trading days, no weekends, no weekends. You don't have to know much about trading. If you have at least one currency pair that you are comfortable with trading, you can use this method and make at least 100, a little bit over $100 per month. Okay, so doing it this way, let's say you have one trading pair that you're comfortable with using. Let's say Euro US dollars. You're comfortable with trading that currency pair. You've read your charts, you have your indicators set up, you know whether you want to buy or sell this currency pair during this time. You are comfortable that you can get at least 25 points out of this one trade. 25 points, that's all you need. 2 pips per trade, that's all you need. And that's saying that, let's say you have $100 in your account, or at least $100 to do it this way. You're trading at 0.05 lot size. Your trade is going to be 0.05 lot size. You're going to take your profit at 25 points. This way, you're going to make $1.25 approximately per trade. Okay? Per trade. That's all you need. One currency pair that you're comfortable that you can get 25 points out of. In doing it this way, you're going to open up 5 trades per sit. Let's say I'm looking at the Euro US dollar chart and I'm comfortable that I can buy this, do a buy on this chart, Euro US dollars. I'm comfortable I can get 25 points. That's all I need is it to go up to 25 points. Euro US dollars and USD JPY, those spreads are normally very low. So that's why I choose to trade with that for the most part. I make more videos with showing my charts. Okay, let's say you open up 5 trades. You set your profit at 25 points. You set your stop loss at 100 points. Let's say you lose this because this is not guaranteed that even though you feel comfortable that you're going to get 25 points, it's not guaranteed that you're going to get it. Mistakes happen. So I would definitely say set a stop loss unless you don't like using stop losses. It's not mandatory. So let's say you do this one time, 5 trades, you win 25 points for 5 trades. That is $6.25 for one day. If you do that 25 trading days or 20 trading days out of every month, 20 trading days, I'm going to say that, you're going to profit 25 trading days, I'm sorry, you're going to profit $156 approximately. If you do that 2 times per day, let's say you find a Euro USD trade that's going pretty good, you do it, you win your first 5 trades, it's still going up pretty good. You do it, you open up another 5 trades, set your take profit at 25 points. You do that now, you're up to $12.50 for that day. Let's say you caught this trend at the bottom of the trend and it looks like it's going to trend up all day long. You may not have time to sit at the computer, but you can set up 5 trades in your you can set up pending orders, sell or buy. You can do it 5 times. It may be a little time consuming, but if you don't have time to sit there and watch your charts or don't have the patience or whatever the case may be, you can set up pending orders, 5 pending orders to do 25, take profit 25. You move it up, you wait and let it go up 50, 60 points, 5 or 6 pips, I mean. You do this again, 5 trades. Let's say now you've done this 3 times, you're up to $18.75 per day. You do this 4 times, you're up to $25. You kind of see where I'm going with this. So let's say you do this 20 times per day. Let's say you do it 20 times per day. That's going to put your profit at about $625 for the month. That's extra money. I just doing this, you're confident in the trades that you're opening. Let's say you're not confident in the trades you're opening. You just do it one time and you want to be out of it for the one time. That's over $100 for the month. But let's say you have more than one trade, you can do this 7 times. You can trade with more than one currency pair. You're comfortable with finding promising trades with more than one currency pair. So let's say you use Euro US dollars, um, USD, JPY, and pretty much if what I've noticed is if one pair in the JPY is doing pretty good, that all of the rest of them is going to kind of follow that same trend. It's not something that I'm 100% positive on, but that's something that I have noticed. If I'm doing good with one, the all of the rest of the charts is going to pretty much say the same thing, do the same, going the same way. So let's say I could do this 7 times per day for all of the trading days during the trading week per month, 35 trades per day. I win this. This is pushing it a lot, but I win this trade. That's going to put me at over $1,000 for the month by just doing something that can like once you get used to this process, it could take you anywhere 10 to 15 minutes to set these trades up and just let them run. If you have 7 trades, I mean 7 currency pair that you can find one trade that's going to profit 25 points per day, it can take you 20, not long. Let's say it take you an hour to find this. That means you in 1 hour you can make $43.75 per day, over $1,000 per month for 1 hour worth of work. And I don't think that that's bad. This doing it this way definitely will not guarantee it. This is just an idea. This is just a strategy that I'm using. It's been working for me, and I feel like this strategy is kind of easy enough where I can share it with other people and they can, kind of fix it up to where it works for them. Because if you don't have if let's say you don't have $100 in your account, you don't want to trade with a 0.05 trading. Like you really either want to start this. If this doesn't make sense to you, don't even start it with I wouldn't even recommend starting with the live account. I would try this on a demo account or ask questions. I answer questions. I have no issue with answering questions. I would start this on a demo account, or I would start it at 0.01 lot size, and just do it that way, just so I can get comfortable with it. I wouldn't just take a person word and fly with it. That's not mean that I'm not comfortable with doing that. If I'm going to try something that someone else has said, if it makes sense to me, enough sense for me to try it, I'm still not going to put full trust and try it with a lot of my live money. I'm going to either try it on a demo account, or I'm going to try it at a very low lot size. I'm going to give it a try, but it's not going to be nothing that I'm going to risk a lot of money or any money at all. So good luck. Let me know what you think. Thanks.